Hi friends, welcome to Sri Sai IT Hub. In this video of core Python programming, we are going to discuss the following topic: Python list collection slicings with positive step value. So first of all, what are list in Python programming? So list is a ordered collection of data or elements. In list we have indexes to all the elements, and lists are mutable. Mutable means once list is created, we can modify that original data. And lists are capable of storing same type or different type of data. And list values are given in square brackets and separated with commas. For example, list 1, 11, 22, 33, 44, 55. So we have to use square brackets and elements are separated with comma. And since we have indexes to the collection of data in a list, so it provides both positive indexes 0 to n minus 1. Example, list 1, 11, 22, 33, 44, 55. So the indexes are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, which is forward direction, left to right. And we also have backward direction, right to left, -5, -4, -3, -2, -1. And using this indexes and slice operator, we can slice to get a part of a list. So slicing means getting only particular elements from a list. So the syntax goes like this: list of starting index colon ending index colon step value. So here ending index character is not taken into consideration. For example, list of 0, 5, 2. So the step value is 2. 0 to 5th index. So anyhow fifth index is not included. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So since the step value is 2, it will take 0 followed by 2 followed by 4. So you will get 11, 33, 55. Only 3 elements. Similarly, list of -5 to -1 negative indexes, step value is 2. So -5, it is 11, -5, -4, -3, -2, -1. So step value is 2. So -5, -3. So it will not take -1, okay, which is the ending index in this slicing. So 11, 33 are the answers. -5, -3 indexed values. So let us try to demonstrate this with a small program. Python lists example 4. Take a new page. So first write comments at the beginning of the program. So I'm taking here list 1, 11, 22, 33, 44, 55. So let us do all cases one by one. Put comments for the remaining cases. So list 1 of 0 to 5. So it will take 0 to 4. Step value is 1. So it will take 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Save it in your working directory. Come to the prompt and run it. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Step value is 1. So next, negative indexes -5 to -1. Step value is +1. So -5 +1 -4 -3 -2. -1 is not included, which is the end index. 11, 22, 33, 44. Third case. So list of 0 to 5, step value is 2. So 0 to 4. Fifth index is not included. Anyhow, it is not there. So 11, 33, 55. Next, negative indexes with step value 2. So list of minus 5, minus 1, step value is 2. So minus 5, minus 3, minus 1 is the end index, it is not included. So you'll get only minus 5, minus 2, minus 3, which is 33. Next, let us take combination of positive index and negative index. So 0 means first indexed element, minus 1. So which is a negative index, last element. Okay. So 0, 1, 2, 3, minus 1 is 4. So step value is 2. So it will take only 0 and then followed by 2. Fourth index, which is minus 1, is not taken because it is the end index in slicing. Right. So 11, 33, 0, 2. Next, let us do it with negative positive. So minus 5, first index in backward direction, and 5, it is a fourth index plus 1. Anyhow, it is not there, it is not included. So it is like minus 5 to minus 1. Okay, or 0 to 4. Okay, so plus 2. So you will get 11, 33, and 55. So this is how we are supposed to work with list collection slicings with positive step value. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, comment, and share this video, and also subscribe to the YouTube channel Sri Sai IT Hub. Have a nice day.